Alyosha, what can you do now?
I do.
Now I can.
Now I can do.
You can do anything. Женя, what can you do? Ментиком.
Сергій, I have a trouble. I have no internet.
I see, the same problem.
I
Does Lenovo network work? Does it work or not?
No.
Lenovo does not work.
No.
It's bad. Do you have mobile internet?
Mobile internet is not working.
It's not working too. I see.
No.
That's a big problem.
Mobile internet.
Okay, good morning class. Let's start our lesson. Today we have an unusual lesson because our lesson will be integrated with geography. At this lesson we are going to discuss and learn some information about geography of one country. I want you to start now because our time is too precious. So let's begin. I want you to have a look at the board and name the symbols you can see on this board. What do you see, Alyosha?
Maple leaf.
Maple leaf, Bogdan.
Indian symbol.
Indian symbol, Valera.
Hockey stick.
What?
Hockey stick.
Hockey stick, Vanya.
Winter clothes.
Winter clothes, Vladik.
Grizzly bear.
Grizzly bear. Okay, anything else?
Bear print.
Bear print, right? Okay.
Acorns.
Acorns, right? Canadian flag. So, what country do you associate these symbols and why? Vanya.
It is Canada because in Canada is cold, so you must.
It is cold.
It is cold, so you must wear the winter clothes.
Winter clothes, okay.
Hockey is a favorite sport in Canada.
Favorite sport in Canada.
Grizzly
Like-
bear is the biggest animal of Canada.
Grizzly bear is the biggest animal in Canada, right? Any other ideas? Bogdan, what do you think?
Acorns is a popular tree
Uh-huh.
in Canada.
Yes, Alyosha?
Canada constitutional monarchy and the Queen Elizabeth II.
Right, that's why we have a crown
Crown,
here, right?
yes.
Okay,
Right.
thank you. You are right, today we are going to speak about Canada, the country which flag is a maple leaf. Okay, so before we start speaking about it, I would like you to get acquainted with some facts about Canada. Will you please read and translate the sentences into Ukrainian? Start, Jack.
Canada is the largest country in the Western Hemisphere.
Hemisphere.
Канада найбільша країна у західній півкулі.
Okay, good. Vladimir, please.
Canada has the longest. Canada has the longest coastline in the world. Канада має найдовшу берегову лінію у світі.
Okay, thank you. Dasha?
More than half of the lakes in the world are
Located.
located in Canada. Більша частина озер знаходиться в Канаді.
Канада, right? Більш ніж половина озер, right? Катя, please.
The longest
Largest
of
City.
city Canada is
Mhm.
найбільше місто в Канаді Торонто.
Toronto, right? Okay, Bogdan.
9 out of 10 Canadians live in the USA. 9 із 10 канадців живуть в США.
Okay, thank you. Artyom, please. Artur, sorry.
The
Highest.
highest mountain in Canada is Mount
Logan.
Logan.
Mhm. Okay. Can you help Artur? Anybody? Женя?
Гора у Канаді це гора Логан.
Logan, right? Okay, thank you. Alyosha, please.
The literacy.
Literacy.
Rate is 99%. Рівень писемності досягає 99%.
Okay, good. Artyom, please, Лазоренко.
The national holiday is called Canada Day and is celebrated on
The 1st of July. You don't see? Okay. Translated.
Національне свято в Канаді називається
Then Canada. And when is it celebrated?
Її святкується 1
липня. Thank you. Vladdy, please.
Canada is the popular
Canada again.
Canada is the popular country of immigrants.
For immigrants.
Канада це найпопулярніша країна для
Не найпопулярніша, а популярна. Для кого?
іммігрантів.
Для іммігрантів. Артем, please, можеш бути?
Ice hockey is the second popular game in Canada after soccer.
Сокер.
Льодяний хокей.
Хокей на льоду.
Хокей на льоду це найпопулярніша гра в Канаді після
Футбол. Європейського футболу. Right. Друга за популярністю. So, as you understood, we are speaking about geography, and when we speak about it, we usually mean what? What do we talk about when we consider geography? Bogdan.
Geographical position.
First, geographical position. Vanya.
Area.
Area, right. Женя.
Population.
Population, right. Losha.
Climate.
Climate, of course. Any other ideas?
Economy.
Yes. Economy of the country. What?
temperature.
Temperature. Well, climate is temperature. Dasha.
Lakes and rivers.
Lakes and rivers, right. Water bodies.
Language.
Language, right. And of course, mineral resources and
Economy.
cities, right? The largest cities of the country. So, Vanya, I want you to go to the board and write the plan of the lesson, what we are going to talk about. And while we are doing it, I want you to review the vocabulary. Open your copybooks, please. We are going to practice writing some of the words. On the board, you see different words, but they are written with mistakes. I want you to correct the mistakes. You will use this interactive board and this marker to correct them. Okay, I want to see Losha here. Losha, come on. That's for you, that's for you. Start. Losha, what word is it? To body on. How do you translate it?
Це
To body on.
межувати.
Межувати, right. Межуватися. To body on. Next.
To be
Washed by. How do you translate it?
буде
Омиватися. Be washed by. You write in your copybooks. Okay, next.
an area.
Area. What's area?
Область.
Область або area. Ще один варіант.
Площа.
Площа, right. Площа. Total area of Canada is this and that, right. Next, please.
Lowland.
Lowland. What is it?
Низовина.
Nizolina, right. Thank you, Vanya. You have 7 items in your plan, right? Or maybe that's enough. Thank you. Sit down, please. Artyom Lazdorenko. You are the next.
Mountain range.
Mountain range. What is mountain range? It's хребет, right? Wait a second. Mountain. Can you write it again? Because you have a lot of mistakes. Mountain. Ще раз напиши. Write again. Oh, no, there is a mistake. Can you correct it? Range. The word range. How do you write it? Bogdan, can you correct it?
This is
Correct. Come to the board and correct. Range. Like ranger, right? From this word.
значить.
Range. It's easier to write it again. Step aside. Right, yes. Thank you, Bogdan. Continue, Artyom. Okay, next.
Climatic.
Climatic zero. How do you translate it?
Кліматичний.
Кліматичний рівень. Climatic zone or climatic zero? What is it? Zero. Артем. How, a zone. You have climatic zone and you say zero, right? Vladimir, can you correct him? Is Z wrong? C? Yes, right. Thank you, Vanya. It's done. Next word, Artyom. Arctic. Arctic. And the last? First letter is temperature. Temperature. Помірний. Temperature, right. Thank you. Now clean it after yourself. Clean the board. Yes, sure. The erase, Clean everything. Then choose a pointer again, tools, okay? And close it. Thank you very much, take a seat. Okay, let's check your results. If you have this, then everything is correct. Is it correct?
Yes.
Correct. Now let's move. So, I have for you the papers on each desk. Look at them. This is the text about Canada and the information you need to use. I will divide you into 3 groups. Here is group 1, this is group 2, and that's group 3. Group 1, you will prepare the information about geographical position and area. You. Group 2 for you is the task to prepare the info about lakes, rivers and population. And group 3 will speak about cities and mineral resources of this country. Okay? I give you 3 minutes, start working. If you need a map, you can come up here and use it too. If you use in the map. If you don't,
Okay.
because it's connected with your task.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you are ready now. So let's start. Group 1, geographical position and area. Who will speak? Vanya, please.
Canada is the largest country in American continent and the second largest country in the world. It has a population of 27 million and
Million.
on an area of 976,185 square kilometers.
Kilometers, right? Okay. Can you add anything else? Here? No? Then group 2, lakes, rivers and populations. Lakes and rivers first, Bodan.
More than half of lakes in the world are located in Canada. The Mackenzie is the longest river in Canada.
Canada, right? Okay. What about population?
It has a population of 37 million, an area of 9,976,000 and 985.
So the population is 37 million, right?
Yes.
Okay, and group 2 your task was cities and mineral resources. What are the largest cities in Canada, Dasha?
Canada is the largest country on the American continent and the second largest country in the world.
Okay.
It has a population of 27 million.
37. The latest information 37. There is a mistake in the paper. 37.
Million on an area of 9,976,185 square kilometers.
Okay. And what about mineral resources?
Canada is the world's biggest producer of nickel,
Mhm.
the second biggest producer of zinc,
Right.
and the third biggest producer of lead.
It's red. Свинець читається lead.
Lead.
Don't forget lead, not lead. Right. Alright, thank you very much. Let's move on. And now you are going to listen to the text about Canada. This text is read by real American person, I asked her personally. And after this you will do the task in class time. So be attentive, listen attentively. How about my speaker? Is it connected? It's not connected. Ta-da! Oops, sorry. Something is wrong.
Canada is the second largest country in the world after Russia. The population of Canada is about 37 million people. 13 kinds of polar bears can be found in Canada. Canada consists of 10 provinces and 3 territories. The head of state is the Queen of Britain. The name Canada likely comes from the Huron-Iroquois word Kanata, meaning village or settlement. In 1535, 2 Aboriginal youths told French explorer Jacques Cartier about the route to Kanata. They were actually referring to the village of Stadacona, the site of the present-day city of Quebec. Canada has an extremely large number of lakes, with the number of lakes larger than 3 square kilometers being estimated at close to 31,752 by the Atlas of Canada. Of these, 561 lakes have a surface area larger than 100 square kilometers, including 4 of the Great Lakes. The 3 largest cities in the country are Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver. The capital city of the country is Ottawa. You can see a maple leaf on the flag of Canada. The animal symbol of Canada is a beaver. Canada Day is celebrated on July 1st.
Okay, that's enough. Now, let's move on. You must open your browsers on your smartphones and visit the site classtime. Enter the following code. It's our session. You need again? Okay, but look. I am going to visit it too. So this is a Canada quiz. You have 12 tasks, and I already see the pupils. Artyom, Artur, Vanya. Okay. You have 5 minutes to complete this task.
Give me food. No.
Yes, Artyom?
Code. Да, барный код.
This code. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pupils. 10, 11, 12. Okay, right. All the pupils are here. Oh, Dasha, you have one wrong answer already. I see somebody has already finished. Your total results you will know only after I check it, because some answers must be checked by the teacher who gave the tasks. So it is not your real mark, your mark will be later. So I give you 1 more minute, I think. Question 6 is the easiest, I see. Almost all people gave correct answer. What is question 6, by the way? Can you tell me about question 6? What is?
Celebrated Canada Day.
Right. The head of the state. The head of the state is Queen of Tumbayumba. So are you ready now? Can we finish it?
Ready?
Ready for breakfast? Okay. Let's finish here. Don't forget to save your results. Artyom, Alyosha, how about you? Are you ready? Not yet? Who is it number 10? Vanya. Vanya has all correct answers. Okay, good for you. So, can we finish now, boys and girls? Let's finish because we don't have much time, thank you. Let's move on to our lesson. Now I think it's time to relax a little, but don't relax too much because we are going to play an interactive game. Go to Kahoot site And I will tell you the code now. Here is the pin code that you need to enter. Three, 6, 7, 5, 1, 7, 6. We have Vanya, Artur, Alyosha, Vladik, Bogdan, Dasha, Artyom a little bit. So get ready. Denis. Okay, 5 seconds to start. 2, 1, start. The quiz about Canada, you must choose the right answer. Be quick, because if you are quick, you will get good points. Which plant grows in Canada? Choose. Only one of them grows in Canada. It is first, as you can see. Yalina. Right. Okay, next task. Who was the first? Vanya was the first. Okay. And then Katya. Question number 2. What is the national anthem of Canada? You all know that it's maple leaf. So at least you know it. Who was the first now? Again Vanya. Vanya presses quickly. Who is the head of the state? Right. The Queen of Britain is the head of the state. Okay, next question. Who was the first? Again, Vanya is the first. Bogdan is the second always. Bogdan, you are second best. The longest river in Canada. Ragnarok. I see. Which one? Mackenzie. Mackenzie River. Again, oh, Denis is the third. Province, which is not the province of Canada. It is not the province. New Orleans is not the province. Somebody wrote. Vanya is still the best. Artyom is the second. Question 6. What is your teacher's name? Anton Stepanovich, I see. It's a check-in. Who knows my name? 9 people know my name. Two people don't know my name. Interesting.
Денис на другом месте.
Я на другому місці.
Ваня Добров.
Ні, ти пропав.
The largest animal in Canada. An elephant. Right? Polar bear. Somebody think it's grizzly bear. No, polar bear is the largest. Oh, Artyom is the first. Vanya, you must do something. Let's move on. Now, true-false question. Canada borders on 2 countries. True or false? You don't know that Canada borders only on the USA. Only. Artyom is the first now. Question 9. The currency is a valuta. The currency in Canada, what is it? Canadian franc, because French people live there too. You are right, it's Canadian dollar, of course. Okay. Vanya is the first now. Dasha is the second. Question 10. Toronto is the capital of Canada. True or false? For people who don't know that Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Yes. Okay. Vanya is already the first. Artyom, you lost your position. Where do most French speakers in Canada live? In what province? They live in Quebec, as you see. Okay. Vanya is still the first. Good. Next. Question 12. Canada is the second largest country in the world. True or false? The second largest. True or false? True or false? Nine people know that it is true. And what is the first largest country? Russia. And I think it's the last question. What part of the country is covered with forests? Seven people know and 5 don't know. So let's see the results. Who was the best player? Number 1 is Vanya. And second, who was the second?
Dasha.
Okay. Well, thank you. These are your good results. Let's come back to our presentation. So at this lesson we have done a lot of activities and I would like you to review them again. What have we done? Can you use these word combinations and the present perfect to describe what we have done at the lesson? How do we make present perfect? Who,
We.
have, or has, and the third form of the verb. Bogdan, can you give us an example?
We have read the text.
Can you write it here? We have read the text. Alyosha?
We have studied the map of Canada.
We have studied the map of Canada. Can you write it, please? Vanya?
We have completed the chart.
Completed the chart, right? Please, wait here. Okay, Valera? What is this? We don't have electricity?
Yes.
Yes, no electricity, unfortunately. It's okay. Okay. Now we are going to speak a little. Let's imagine the situation that your friend has got the task to prepare the report about Canada. What information would you give him? Discuss it in pairs. What information do you think is important to know about Canada? Speak in pairs, please.
Власне, світло подивіться, Сергій. Подивіться світло, чи є?
No, нам вже не потрібно. Okay. So, what information would you give your friend saying about Canada? Let's start. Bogdan, what about you?
The national emblem of Canada is maple leaf, and the currency is the Canadian dollar. Canada is a large country.
Is a large country, right?
Its longest river, the Mackenzie, flows for 1,600 kilometers into Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is also a very rich country.
A very rich country, right? Artyom, how about you?
It has many industries. Cars, electrical goods, etc. It produces almost every mineral: gold, silver, iron, copper, uranium, oil, etc. Canada is the world's biggest producer of nickel, the second biggest producer of zinc, and the third biggest producer of lead.
Of that, right? Thank you. Copper, тільки мідь читають. Copper. Okay, what about you, boys? What can you say about Canada? Maybe something about the geographical position. Okay, Vanya?
Canada is a bilingual country.
What do you mean bilingual? What is it?
Bilingual, it is...
People?
This country has two languages.
Two languages, right. Okay, so?
The majority of the population speaks English. Most French speakers live in the province of Quebec. Canada's largest city is Toronto. It has population of 3,800,000. But Toronto is not capital city. The capital of Canada is Ottawa in the province of Ontario.
Okay, thank you. What about Dasha?
Hockey is favorite sport in the Canada. Canada bordered only with USA. Canada is a popular country for immigrants. Ice hockey is the second popular game after soccer.
All right. Thank you. Any other ideas? Well, so at this lesson, I think we have done a lot of activities, and now you can do a lot speaking about geography of Canada. Let's sum up the results. What can we do now? What have we learned in the lesson? So what can we do? Start your sentence like this. Now I can. What can you do now, Bogdan?
Now I can speak about geographical position of Canada.
All right. Next, Valera, maybe.
Now I read and listen.
I can. Now I can.
Now I can read and listen about geography in English.
Geography in English, right? Thank you. Okay, Artyom.
Now I can use present perfect tense.
Use present perfect tense, right? Okay. Okay. What else? Alyosha, what can you do now?
I do.
Now I can.
Now I can do.
You can do anything. Женя, what can you do?
Now you can search for
Search for information.
information or in different sources.
In different sources. Sources. I'm not sure about the electricity. Can you please open on your smartphones the page with mentimeter.com? Mentimeter.com or Menti.com?
Сергій, I have a trouble. I have not internet yet.
I see, the same problem.
I
Does Lenovo network work? Does it work or not?
No.
Lenovo does not work. It's bad. Do you have mobile internet?
Mobile internet is not working.
It's not working too. I see. That's a big problem. Okay, that was a problem, so it's not so important. Well, as for me, I think the results of our lesson are good. I'm going to check your class time results, and your marks will be given in class time or in classroom for the next lesson. My impression about the lesson is nice. I think you have worked very well and you have done a lot of activities and now can do many other things. Your home task for the next lesson will be: first, open your daybooks, please. It will be some kind of art, because for the next lesson you are going to prepare the quiz. А quiz означає, що вікторина. You must prepare the quiz about Canada. That's first. And the second task will be to be ready to speak about this country. So, quiz, Canada. And speak about this country.